purpose of today's demo is to show how easy and fast it can be to compare your shop's repair estimate to the insurance estimate using Kri-Tech Solutions' new estimate audit tool. Using the eAudit tool gives you the ability to quickly and accurately itemize the differences between the two estimates, allowing you to clearly identify the repair line items that are different or missing altogether from the insurance estimate. In just a few short minutes, the eAudit tool will generate a detailed summary report that will assist you along with your repair estimate in requesting a supplement from the insurance carrier for everything they have missed. We will be comparing two different estimates on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler with damages to the front end of the vehicle. The shop's estimate is a total of $4,600 and the insurance carrier's estimate came to $3,300, leaving us with the total difference of about $1,300 of repairs that are missing from their sheet. So let's get started by opening the eAudit tool and comparing these two estimates. We need to first make sure that our PDF copies of the estimates have been saved to a file on your computer for you to access. Once you have done this, you will select the insurance PDF to shop PDF. We will then be asked to select our insurance estimate first and then asked for our shop estimate. Once you have selected both estimates, the system will now begin to read and analyze them. We have designed the eAudit tool to have two simple steps to ensure accuracy. The first step gives the user the opportunity to match any line items both estimates may have that our system did not pick up, such as custom manual entry lines or edited lines. On the left side, you will see unmatched line items from the shop estimate, and on the right, you have the insurance line items and the line numbers. By entering in the insurance operation line number to the corresponding shop line item, they will highlight in green to indicate they have been matched. Once you have matched all items, you can then click the next button. eAudit will reanalyze the two estimates with the items that have now been matched by you. The second and final step allows the user to remove anything from the report they do not want to appear on it, giving you total control over accuracy and clarity of your audit report. By selecting the box on the left side of the line item, it will highlight the line in red, indicating it has been removed from the report. If you change your mind, you can simply uncheck the box to have it appear back on the report. Simply go line by line through the report to double check and make sure you do not have anything that needs to be removed, and then select the next button. The report is broken down into three sections. The first section is the shop estimate versus the insurance estimate. This section shows the line items both estimates have but are different for one reason or another and need to be addressed, such as differences in labor or parts price differences. The second section is line items missing from the shop estimate. This indicates the insurance has something on their estimate that the shop does not have on theirs. In most cases, this section is the shortest but can add value if they are paying you for something you did not have on your repair estimate. The third and final section is lines missing from the insurance estimate and is typically the bulk of the report. This is everything they missed and left off their estimate for one reason or another. Now you have an itemized and accurate report to address the differences between your repair estimate and the insurance estimate, all without ever having to change or alter your repair estimate or blueprint. You can attach this eAudit report to your repair plan and send it directly back to the adjuster within minutes and ask them to address the missing items by adding them to a supplement. We appreciate your time and thank you for watching our demo of Kri-Tech Solutions Estimate Audit Tool.